Mga langga, nandito na naman tayo, no? Kung saan last year andito kami naglakad, and syempre kasama ko. Last year naglakad kami dito. Actually pangatlong punta ko na dito. Maganda lang kasi, promise, as in maganda. So ayun, tinatawag na ito na reserve bird sanctuary, kung saan maraming mga ibon na nakatira. Ayun doon sa dulo. Super ganda lang talaga dito, promise. Lalo na ngayong lalong na pag summer dito, sobrang ganda. Kasi ma-feel mo yung medyo mainit, maaraw, and then marami kang makikitang mga nagbabike, naglalakad. Ewan ko pa kung ayun, may swan, daming swan. Sige, lipat tayo, punta tayo, pakita natin yung swan. The geese. Mud is very important at St. Adams.
1 cubic meter
Has the same number of calories as Mars bar. Okay. I know what it means. Medyo mataas lang yung tubig kasi ilang araw nang umulan. Kaya ayun. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang history ng sanctuary, bird sanctuary na lugar. Ay, alam niyo naman, tamad akong mag-research. Tamad akong alamin. Basta lang makakita lang ako ng magandang lugar na pwedeng puntahan. Okay na ako doon. Ayun, may swan doon, oh. Ayun. Hindi sila. Swan. Okay. Saan na yun? Hindi ko makita. Yun. Ayun doon yung swan. Yun. Ito pala. Sila. What's that coming over? Can't.
I'm just saying it's a couple. A married couple.
Cook. You're married.
Saying, come on.
Give me some food. Give us some food.
The male over there on the front. Much bigger. Stick in there.
So ayun. What are people doing up there? Camping. It seems that those people who just left, they're carrying bags. I think they're doing picnic over there. Huh?
It's a day for a picnic, but anything is possible.
Maybe picnic.
We're going swimming.
Hey, it's too cold though.
Wild water swimming is called.
No, thank you for me. Not for me. This time, no, I will not. They must be mad. Mga taong walang magawa sa buhay. Sobrang lamig, winter.
Got a woolly hat on like yours.
Tapos maliligo sa dito sa I thought they're not allowed. I thought they're not allowed.
Not allowed where we were, but they're allowed over there.
Oh, right.
For it.
Okay.
Oh, wild water swimming.
Right. Yung mga langga. Yan. Kung nakikita niyo, may nagsaswimming doon. Tinatawag daw Wild River Swimming daw. Wild river swimming. Only 2 seconds. 2 seconds is enough. Who is stupid stay in that water? It's very cold. Tanga-tanga naman nun. Ang lamig-lamig eh. Halos mamatay ka na sa kalamig. Tapos pag ahon yan, magka-hypothermia. Hypothermia. Sakit. Okay. Yun lang mga palangga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Reserve Sanctuary, Bird Sanctuary dito sa Leeds. Bye bye.